Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to restore file from quarantine Kaspersky Total Security 2020. Click More Tools. Click Quarantine. Select File to restore. Click Restore. Check Open folder after restore. Click Restore. File restored successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.